Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Flower Von Lily, your girl. Just kidding, guys. But today I am recording another scammer. I just posted another scamming video. Make sure you go check that out. Just go to YouTube. And in here, this is my video I just posted, so go check that out. And yeah. So, this person, Mystic Wolfie, is doing a giveaway, so I'm just gonna report them for now in case they do scam. And I know I'm gonna forget the username later. I'm gonna make sure I send this to AJHQ because scamming is breaking the rules and, it's just, I don't know, guys. Scamming is not right, okay? People play this game for about more than 1 year, and when they lose that item, they just wasted how many years they've played of their life, because they worked so hard for those items. So guys, don't scam. If you're a scammer and you're watching this, oh no. Bye. If you're a scammer and you're watching this, please stop. If someone scammed you, how would you feel? It's just not nice. Tell me what happens. Okay. So yeah. If you guys don't know what scamming is, then I'm just gonna say it's when someone takes your items. They trick you into taking your items, so yeah. It's just not nice, so I'm gonna just watch my subscribers right now. So guys, if this was truly a giveaway, then giving away is where you give stuff away. I don't know. I'm not gonna say they're a scammer yet, because they haven't really done anything wrong. So, yeah. I wanna try doing it, but I can't because I've been scammed way too much this year. I got scammed by black long, by pink long. I got scammed betas too. But that was 2 years ago. I don't know, guys. So, right now, we are just gonna wait until something happens. Hopefully no one gets scammed because that'll be just so sad. I'm sorry whoever will get scammed. I will try posting this. Well, I might post this. No, yeah. I might post this if they scam, so hopefully they don't. Okay. Okay. Ow. Alright, I just hit myself. And it hurt. So, let's just wait. You scam. Hosting. What? You don't think? Oh gosh. I really still can't trust right now. So, yeah. Let's see. I'm just gonna wait here to sit around. So yeah. Let's see. I'm sorry if I'm quiet. I'm multitasking right now. Recording, trying to watch this at the same time, and I am just writing stuff. Let's see. Hopefully, y'all, okay. If this person scams, please report them. And yeah. Guys, so it's been like up. Wow, soon as I just start recording again, they scam. I recorded that. Okay guys, so go report that person, and I am really sorry again about those people who got scammed. I am really sorry, but I just don't get how you guys could trust these giveaways. Search Flower Fawn Lily AJ to watch. So yeah, I'm gonna send this to HHQ, both of the scamming videos. So yeah, hopefully you guys, please don't fall for these tricks, guys. So I'm just gonna say that. I'm sorry I would buddy you, but yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.